Hi friends, in this video we are going to see aptitude on profit and loss. Aptitude 1.
Alfred buys an old scooter for Rs 4,700, and spends Rs 800 on its repairs. If he sells the scooter for Rs 5,800, his gain percent is Option A, 4 by 7%. Option B, 5 by 11%. Option C, 10%. Option D, 12%. Pause the video, and try to solve the problem. Answer: 5 by 11%. Explanation: Cost price, CP, equals Rs. 4,700 plus 800, equals 5,500 rupees. Selling price, SP, equals 5,800 rupees. Gain equals, SPCP, equals Rs. 5,800 to 5,500, equals 300 rupees. Gain percent equals, 300 by 5,500, into 100, percent equals 5 by 11%. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.